Are you planning to travel abroad but feel nervous about speaking English at the airport? Don't worry. In this video, we'll teach you the most essential English phrases you need for a smooth experience at the airport. From checking in to talking to flight attendants, you'll be ready for anything. Let's get started.
Morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
All right.
Perfect. Your luggage is within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate 23 at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you. Could you tell me how to get to gate 23?
Of course. Go straight ahead and follow the signs for Terminal B. Gate 23 will be on your right.
Got it. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Good morning. Please place your belongings in the tray and remove any electronic devices or liquids from your bag.
All right. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. Also, remove your belt and jacket.
Got it. Here you go.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner now. Sir, please step aside for a quick check.
Sure, no problem.
All clear. You can collect your belongings now.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A, by the window.
Thanks. Excuse me, could I have some water, please?
Of course. There you go.
Thank you. By the way, what time would we arrive in New York?
We're expected to land at 2:45 p.m. local time.
Great, thanks.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else.
Excuse me, where can I find the luggage for Flight 102?
The luggage from Flight 102 will be on Carousel 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, this doesn't look like my suitcase. What should I do?
Please check the tag on the suitcase. If it's not yours, you can report it to the lost and found counter.
All right, thank you.
Now you know how to handle common situations at the airport in English. Don't forget to practice these phrases before your next trip. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Safe travels!